Alrighty guys, here's a quick one. So before I started the camera, I snipped off the end here, which is the old knot. This is our mitten handle for this 522 Craftsman. So we have a screwdriver just simply knotted in there to hold the cord with enough room to do what we want to do. Take a lighter where you cut your end of the cord off and just get that melted a bit so you can reduce the odds of fraying. And then I probably should have gave myself a little bit more room here with this screwdriver deal. So I'm going to untie that real quick and push it further. If you do this, be super careful that when you untie it, you don't let go of the string, because if you do, it takes a lot longer. Been there, done that. No fun. Okay, there we go. Got plenty of length now. Stick your mitten handle in. And then basically this is real simple. It's similar to like when you're tying your shoes. You pull a single bow knot like the beginning of your shoe tie. Snug that knot up good and tight. Grab your needle nose or like favorite pair of pliers. Pull it tight. And then we heat it up. We get that knot so it's hot. It's like a nylon type material, so it starts to melt here as we heat it. And then we pull it tight one more time. And that is the proper way to replace a recoil string handle on a snowblower or pretty much any other like piece of equipment. So then you simply just be careful when you're undoing this, because I just put a knot in there, if you noticed. So as long as you don't pull that knot tight, I don't see why we won't be able to fit this massive handle back through the hole. And then boom. So that's how you do it, guys. If you have any other ways or anything you've learned over the years, this is definitely the professional way in my opinion. I learned this at 15 years old in shop class thanks to a awesome teacher named Mr. Witwer. Claire Witwer, if you're seeing this, or if you're not, I hope someday you get a chance to. You did an awesome job, man. Thanks a lot. Be blessed, my brothers. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.